Hey, this is Scott with Drive Your Passion. Check out my adventure on learning more about this 2018 Jeep JL Rubicon. Check it out. Scott here. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. What is the new 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL all about? FCA wanted to make improvements that would appeal to all the die-hard Jeep enthusiasts, but also improvements to the ride for ordinary daily drivers. Their solution is the 2018 Wrangler JL, and we are loving it. Let me show you what they have done to the design. While retaining its iconic look, there are some features that have made it much more aggressive. The iconic 7-slot grille has now become the front emblem of the JL by making it a bit beefier and deleting the Jeep lettering at the top. And the headlights slightly intrude into the outside slots of the grille. I think this JL Rubicon looks amazing with the LED group package, as you can see here. And I like how they have repositioned the markers and turn signals from the front of the grille to the front of the fenders. Heat dispersion vents have been added behind the front fender to help the engine bay stay at a cooler temperature. And I also think it adds a really aggressive look, which I really like. This JL Rubicon comes standard with oversized fenders, so that if you choose to upgrade to 35-inch tires, like in these two examples, there's no need for a lift. I absolutely love the Wrangler because it is like a drivable Swiss Army knife. From everyday driving in style, or using its amazing off-road capabilities on gnarly trails, it will get the job done. Take the doors off, leave the roof at home, and drop the windshield to turn this JL into an open-body off-road buggy. All the speakers and necessary controls are built right on the frame and dash so that you have everything you need if you fully dismantle your Jeep. If you're going out on an adventure and don't mind getting a little dirty, or getting caught in a downpour with the roof off, that's okay. The speakers and controls on the dash are all sealed to keep water out. Your Wrangler now comes standard with a backup camera. It's positioned on your spare wheel mount and is enclosed in metal armor so that you can't damage it while taking off your wheel. This is one of many examples of FCA's creative new designs. This JL Rubicon has the steel bumper group, which has tow hooks, a mounting slot for a winch, and removable ends to make it an off-road stubby bumper. With all these configurations, Jeep didn't leave you hanging. They provide you with a toolkit for all the hardware and a spot in the cargo area to put all your bolts so you can keep everything organized and safe. Interior is important to me, and I love this new design. I thought the interior on the JL was a drastic improvement from the JK. The fit and finish feels very tight with quality materials. The ergonomics of the dials and buttons make it look very clean and is very easy to use. One thing I really love, check out this startup animation. That transition from the CJ to the JL is so cool. And a little Jeep drives through the odometer. You see an overhead view of a Jeep for the tire pressure monitor. Check your drivetrain settings here, and the degree to your pitch and roll. All the little details they add to this, you find something new every time. This JL Rubicon has the next generation Uconnect with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So far, FCA's Uconnect Infotainment Center is my favorite to use compared to its competitors. Based on what I've shown you thus far, I'm in love with the personality of this JL Rubicon. Let me now show you what I have found with the performance and driving experience. The JL has made improvements on its drivability on-road, back-road, and off-road. Let me show you its spec sheet that has influenced these improvements. The JL will have available a 2.0 liter turbo 4-cylinder with 270 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, paired with the 8-speed automatic transmission. In our JL Rubicon, we have a 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar with 285 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, paired with the optional 8-speed automatic transmission, but a 6-speed manual does come standard. This JL Rubicon has Jeep's Rock Track 4:1 transfer case, Dana 44 heavy-duty front and rear axles with lockers, and an electric sway bar disconnect. When off-road and potentially hitting rocks and boulders, the JL has rock rails and skid plates for the fuel tank, transfer case, and transmission, which should help protect it from damage. Even though I didn't push this JL Rubicon even close to its limits, I could tell this thing was designed for the purpose of serious off-roading. But this doesn't mean you shouldn't buy one if you don't off-road. The everyday drivability of the JL has drastically improved. Because of the redesigned steering system, you now have an electric over-hydraulic steering setup with an aluminum steering gearbox. Different than the JK, the track bars have also been raised up to give it a better roll center, so you have better stability on-road and off-road. The shocks have been moved outward in the back to increase stability and suspension travel. Efficiency was another focus for improvement. The windshield has been slightly raked back, and the grille in the JL is not as flat as the JK. The aerodynamics, the engine start-stop function, and the e-torque have all contributed to helping the efficiency of this JL. The materials used have also been carefully planned out to help this JL lose 200 pounds from the JK. The frame has been made lighter by properly using high-strength steel in the right areas, which also has the benefit of making it stiffer. The hood, windshield frame, and doors are made out of aluminum, and the tailgate is made out of magnesium. FCA has really thought of every angle to evolving a legend and continuing on with this off-road legacy. I'm totally in love with this Jeep right now. I really don't want to give it up, but who knows, maybe I'll come and snag one. If you're just looking for a rugged commuter, or if you're into hardcore off-roading, I totally recommend this Jeep. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you had as much fun as I did. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm having a lot of fun making these videos, and I want to keep getting better and better at it. Your support is motivating to me. Thanks guys, see you next time.